you go through the workshop today, I hope you'll be thinking about what you can do as volunteers or professionals to improve the lives of people.
បើរីតែរៀននៅឆ្នាំដំបូងធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ជាក្មេងម្នាក់ដែលនឹងមិនមានភាពជឿជាក់ក្នុងខ្លួនឯងគាត់មិនសូវជឿជាក់និយាយនិងក៏មិនសូវជឿជាក់លេងជាមួយនឹងអ្នកដទៃចា៎
I hope that as we go along with today's workshop, if you have any questions or anything that you're curious about, feel free to pop your hand up.
They cannot talking or speak out. They have even the next level of difficulty.
Ngày chung thì dạy bao nhiêu và từ như bao cái sao lên day without speech.
God's great big